Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First thing you will need to do is to go to the screen you want to capture. So for example, I'm gonna open, maybe settings. And let's say you want to take a screenshot now. To do it, you need to press upper and the lower button together. And once you press them, you will see this animation on the screen. It means that you took a screenshot. And once you're done and you want to check your screenshots, you can go to the gallery, this icon, and then albums, and here we have screenshots, and we have our screenshot right here. So every screenshot you take, it will be here in this screenshots album. Okay, and that's how you take screenshots or screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.